Guys, I'm back again with another video, and in this video we'll be talking about beauty, as if we don't talk about beauty in every video of mine. But yeah, in this video we'll be talking about beauty facial oil that is available in India and that just works bomb.com. I don't know if it's just me or you guys are also on board with me, but whenever I scroll through my Instagram feed, I see a lot of makeup lovers and a lot of makeup artists using Versali rose gold elixirs or a lot of facial oils that they use to make their foundations dewy, so that the foundation glides on, the concealer glides on really smooth on their skin, to use it as a lip oil, a lip elixir, what not, everything you name it, that elixirs, that oils do that for them. But and when I see those videos, I'm like, I also want this oil. And then I go to Google search, and then I search for Versali rose gold elixir in India, and without fail I fail, because first off, it's not easily available in India, and even if Amazon or eBay just show Versali rose gold elixir, you don't know the authenticity of that. And the foremost thing is the prices are shooting higher, like out of nowhere. The Versali rose gold elixirs cost about 6,000, 7,000, 6,500 bucks. I'm like, no bitch, I'm not gonna buy a 6,500 facial oil. So yeah, moving on, I was searching for a good facial oil, and I found the love of my life. This is a facial oil that is available in India. It's the Nature Kumkumadi Thailam Ayurvedic facial oil. Now, talking about Nature as a brand, Nature is a brand that is started by, I guess, Pooja. Everything in Nature they claim to be natural and herbal and Ayurvedic, and that is what all we need. We don't need other parabens and sulfates to go into the skin. It's Kumkumadi Thailam oil. It's a 12 milliliter bottle. Just got my heart was this droplet thing. I'll show you in a bit. Now, this droplet thing is like, oh my god, this resembles so much to the Versali rose gold elixir, and I just want this and everything. And I asked, can this be used in makeup and everything? He's like, yes ma'am, it can be used in everything. It's like, okay, give me. So this bottle retails for about 800 for 12 milliliter of product, and this works really good. The claims that this thing makes to do for your skin is that what it does is it improves skin texture, clears complexion, controls acne, fights pigmentation, evens under eye circles, clear blemishes and whatnot. It is a facial oil, and it can be used around 1 or 2 times a day. It can be used daily. Okay, so yeah, I started using this and I saw tremendous changes in my skin. Tremendous. From like 1 month I am using this non-stop. The packaging looks like it has a droplet kind of thing. If you can see, it has a slight yellowish color to it. So I'm just dropping it. So yeah, see, this is how it looks like. It has a runny consistency. The texture of this oil is not very greasy. It's very runny, and it just gets absorbed into the skin real quick. That these makeup artists use their elixirs to plump out their lips, to even out pigmentation on lips, for mixing in their foundations and everything like that. I use it for the same, and this thing just proved it bang on in every situation whatsoever. If you are in a search for good facial oil, that it on its own is a great facial oil. It will clear up your acne, it will fight pigmentation, whatever it is claiming it will do for you. And trust me, just buy this. It is on the costlier side, but when compared to other facial oils, you'll be like, give me this only. I'll buy Nature facial oil. So yeah, I give this a 9.8 out of 10 rating. Only I wish that the quantity was a little more. Oh, this will finish so soon. So yeah, guys, this was my honest review about the Nature Kumkumadi Thailam Ayurvedic facial oil. I give this thing a big thumbs up, and I hope you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and keep commenting, keep subscribing, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Till then, bye.